You know, when God created trains, He did it beautifully because they go to so many places in one day. Like, think about it. There's so many glimpses of culture in just so little time. Like, not to be weird, but I'd love to be a train.
To be honest, I think you'd be a beautiful train.
But really, tell me you wouldn't want to be a train.
I'd have to think about it. By the way, we have reservations for Saturday.
Where are we going?
I can't say, that'll ruin the surprise.
Oh, please.
You'll just have to wait and find out.
Fine. I can't believe I put up with your stubborn self for a whole year.
Me? Stubborn? Nah, that sounds more like you.
No.
Come here. By the way, I'd love to be a train. Hello?
Hey, babe. How's the studying going?
It's great, but a ton of writing though.
Okay, Darren. Stop playing video games.
What? Who said I was playing video games?
You didn't sound so sure about the essay.
Oh, I'm definitely sure about the essay.
Okay, fine.
Be ready at 8 o'clock tonight.
What? Why?
Just be ready. I'm coming to get you. It'll only be an hour.
What do I wear?
Whatever you're wearing right now is fine. Anyway, babe, I have to go. I have to finish this essay. I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. I can't believe I'm eating ice cream in 15-degree weather.
Hey, there's never a bad time to eat ice cream.
You're right. Gotta do what makes you happy while you can, because life's a roller coaster. Say something.
I'm so thankful for you, Madison. Like, I'm truly thankful for you.
I love you so much, Darren.
Forever. I will protect you forever. You're lucky I love you.
Hey, this walk is beautiful. You gotta admit.
It's okay, I guess. It's a little cold.
True. It's the job.
Answer it.
Hello? Yes, this is she. Great, how are you? Oh yeah, of course. Thank you so much for calling. Yeah, great. Of course.
Hello?
Is this Darren?
Yeah, this is Darren. Who's this?
I'm sorry, Darren. I'm so sorry. Madison.
Wait, what happened to Madison?
It was an accident. The car ran a red. It was an accident. The car ran a red. I'm sorry, Darren. I'm so sorry. Madison. Ran a red.
Wait,
I'm sorry,
what happened to
Darren.
Madison?
I'm so sorry. That was an accident. Sorry, Darren. I'm so sorry.
When God created trains, He did it beautifully because they can be in just so many places in one day. Think about it. It's like seeing glimpses of culture in just so little time. Like, not in a weird way, but I'd love to be a train.